Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's Art Journal. In today's video, I am painting a colorful geometric horse using gouache. I am starting with simple grid layout to get all the proportions right. This geometric style depends on clean structure, so the grip helps me place each section accurately. I'm keeping the sketch light, just the outline of the face, the flow of the mane, and the main blocks for the colors. Even though it looks simple, this step lays the foundation for the entire artwork. Once the sketch is done, I lightly remove extra graphite with the kneaded eraser to keep the surface clean. This ensures the gouache stay bright and fresh. Next, I'm painting the background with a soft golden peach tone. It's warm, subtle, giving a nice glow without distracting from the horse. And now the real fun begins. It's coloring. I started with the black sections first to anchor the structure, then I moved color by color based on my Pinterest reference, filling each section wherever that color appeared rather than painting top to bottom. I'm using bold and vibrant shades, warm reds, oranges, and yellows alongside cooler blues, teals, and purples. Each shape might be flat, but placing colors thoughtfully gives energy and balance to the horse. For the face, I focus on the eyes. They bring life and expression even with geometric shapes. Small highlights make them feel lively, while the nose and the jawline maintain the structure. The mane lets me play with movement and contrast. Cooler tones next to warmer ones, darker shades beside lighter, all create depth and flow. Each block contributes to the vibrant, dynamic look of the horse. As the painting comes together, all the colors harmonize. This style is about confidence, placing colors deliberately, and trusting the final artwork will come live. Now comes the satisfying part, removing the tape. The clean edges instantly make the painting look sharp and polished, like unwrapping the gift. And here is the final reveal. This geometric horse was such a joy to